Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Dogecoin, which is currently down 1.5%. The entire market has seen a slight reversal today. In the morning we were slightly up on a few coins, mostly just consolidating in a sort of sideways action, but the only coin that is actually performing well today is Ethereum. It's up 2%, and that's extremely strange because if you don't know, Ethereum actually got hacked, or Bybit in specific got hacked for $1.4 billion worth of Ethereum. Now, we did a full video on ETH this morning, so if you missed it, go and check it out. Lots of information there. Now we're going to be taking a look at Dogecoin, and before we do, make sure you guys go check out the Discord down below because we've been hitting some insane trades in there. You can see on the screen right now just how many trades our members have been winning. This morning we hit a trade for nearly 200% profit. Absolutely insane. So yeah, if you are in, you could have entered for $100, made $200 profit, and you know, who doesn't love making money? So yeah, make sure you join up. It'll be the first link in the description. Now, back to Dogecoin. So over the past February, really, just this entire month, what we saw was a huge crash down. This wick liquidated so many people, you know, throughout the entire crypto market. All crypto coins saw this wick, and it was the largest liquidation event ever. So many liquidations, and you can see afterwards, we barely had any volume coming into the candles simply because of how much money was just wiped out. So that's what we went into February with, which isn't great. Since, you know, we sort of reclaimed this area at 24.5 cents, claimed as a support. This is sort of like 50% of the fair value gap we have here, which was completely filled and obliterated by that wick. We then went back up, started trending up on the lower time frames, you can see here, and we actually hit this resistance right here that we have, you know, bounced off it a few times, broke through, but then weren't able to break above the resistance at 28 cents. And that's where we kind of are at right now. You know, ever since we hit that resistance, we came back down, just been slowly trending down. One thing I will say though about Dogecoin is it's the best performing altcoin, meme coin, sorry, out of all the other meme coins. You know, we have Dog with Hat, which yes, it has its days where it will go up, you know, 10% in a day, but it's crashed 80 to 90% from its highs back in December. And you know, every major day that it has, it's followed by an even worse day the next day. Doge, on the other hand, is a lot more tame. It moves in a much nicer way, and it actually holds some of the gains it gives. So we obviously ran up a lot on Doge, you know, comparing it from lows, went from 10 cents, even before then we went from 5, and we then ran up all the way up to nearly 50 cents. Yes, we've come down since, we're at 25 cents, 50% dip, but in comparison it's not that bad. 50 to 90% dip is huge. It may not seem like a lot, but it is genuinely a very, very big difference. So yeah, that's where we're at with Dogecoin. And you have to remember as well, Dogecoin is the strongest meme coin out there and one of the strongest cryptos. You know, it has the richest person in the world backing it. It has its own government agency inside the US government called the Department of Government Efficiency, which literally stands for Dogecoin. You know, the richest person in the world who really likes Dogecoin, backs Dogecoin, would probably turn, you know, the world currency into Dogecoin, is very, very good friends with the president. So the ties that Dogecoin has are unexplainable. You know, it's huge. No other coin has those same ties. You can argue, you know, XRP, Bitcoin, ETH, whatever, you know, ETFs, banking, but no coin is like Dogecoin. So that's the sort of thesis behind it. Now, yes, it is priced into the market, or it was priced into the market. You know, we hit 50 cents post-election or during the election. Then during the inauguration, we got another spike and obviously the dip. So yes, it was priced in. And if we buy in right now, easy to X, I think. Very, very easy. You know, if we just hold to 48 cents, the previous high, you'll get your money back plus 100% profit. Relatively low risk in my opinion. We are looking for lower entries though. So if you aren't in Dogecoin yet and you want to expose yourself to it, sure, this current market price right here is a great entry point. Second entry point, or if you don't want to expose yourself right now, instead you want to wait for a bit lower entry, you can go for 20 cents. It's like a 10-15% dip, not that big, but yeah, you can wait for that. And final entry, you know, if worse comes to worse, 15 cents, where there's really not a much large area left to crash. 30-40%, those 3 entry points are going to be set up very, very nicely. Take profit levels, as we talked about, initial take profit, you know, at the previous high, I think that's relatively low risk. You don't really have to go any lower than that. So yeah, 100% profit, 2x from this entry, even from current entry, still a 2x. Your second take profit, quite easy as well. You can go to halfway through the previous high to the all-time high, so somewhere around 64 cents. That's 2.5x to the all-time high, so 3x, 100% profit. And then, you know, afterwards you're going to be slightly risking more. Going to be price discovery. Nobody knows where it could go. You can just go off psychological levels like 80, 90, 95, $1, but it's overall a guessing game from there. So we have our initial entry points, our initial selling points, and it looks really, really good. You know, it's all set up. The fundamentals are there. Unlike a lot of these other meme coins, you know, Dog with Hat, yes, it had a very, very strong community, but where was the community during this entire crash? Pepe, also very, very strong community, huge meme. Pepe is arguably a larger meme than Dogecoin. You know, Pepe on Twitch is absolutely massive. Yes, it went from, you know, 10 to whatever it was, like 27 here, increased a lot, also gave back all of those gains. So it's just a matter of really finding these meme coins that you like, and the only meme coin I really like is Dogecoin. All these other meme coins I don't think will perform as well. Yes, they might have better days than Dogecoin on some days, but in the long term they definitely will not perform as well. Instead, I'd rather just look at more utility based coins like your, you know, XRP, HBARs, SUIs, fetches, renders, dots, AVAXs, Solanas, Ethereums, all these other coins. Lots more utility behind them and a lot more practicality in the form of investing. You also have to take a look at Bitcoin dominance though, because obviously Bitcoin isn't rising today. Bitcoin dominance is falling, so altcoins should be, you know, and meme coins should be relatively stagnant, but no, they're dipping a bit, and that's because we need to close this candle in the red here on dominance. If you don't know, then when dominance is dropping, we see meme coins, altcoins, every coin that isn't Bitcoin rallying a lot. So yeah, the more this goes down, the better it is for the market. Now this candle, if it closes red on the weekly chart, it has a few more hours left, you know, like 6 hours. It's very, very possible. It needs like another 1% dip and we'll be easily in the red. It should be the top. This right here should be the top. We close red and we should have a continuational flush down. Very, very simple. Hopefully it does happen because nobody wants to be waiting for alt season any longer. Bitcoin, we've been talking about Bitcoin in every single video. We have a lot of liquidations here at over 110,000. We cleared liquidations we had below. Next target should be to head up, clear those liquidations, and, you know, see if we can test 113,000, see if we can break above, see if this is going to be the top. Sort of an experimental phase once we head up higher. Right now it's just consolidating though, so maybe we'll see tomorrow, you know, when the stock market opens, will we see a pump, will we see a dump? We don't know. We'll have to wait. The S&P hit a new all-time high this week, has since obviously dropped off. It usually does this very, very often. You know, we hit all-time high, drop off, all-time high, drop off, next candle up, all-time high, drop off, next candle up, and that's just sort of how we roll with the S&P. Other coins I'm going to be keeping an eye out for this week, again, mostly Dogecoin, HBAR, XRP. HBAR is actually dipping a bit, still in my opinion at a decent level. Tested this area as a new resistance. I think we're probably going to head to 18 cents. Going to make a new video on it tomorrow. Yeah, I quite like HBAR. XRP also performing quite well. SUI, another coin, performing quite well. Fetch performing quite slow, but I like the coin. Going to be keeping an eye out on it. Other coins like Render, Polkadot, AVAX, Solana, and Ethereum also. You know, Ether is going to be a very, very interesting week. We'll have to see how Bybit ultimately responds to, you know, re-giving those people the funds back in Ethereum. Obviously they said it's one-to-one backed. Will they buy back the Ethereum? Will they set bounties? Bounties are the most likely choice. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see. If you did enjoy the video though, please do make sure to like and subscribe. And if you do want to be getting my trades sent to you every single day, then check out the Discord down below. First link in the description. Why not join up? And if you actually need a place to trade crypto for the lowest fees with the best sign-up rewards, then check out all the exchanges down below. Also, it's all the exchanges that I personally use to trade, and when you use my link, you'll get some cheaper fees and some nice sign-up bonuses. So yeah, make sure you join up and sign up. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.